This beautifully updated home has a 5th floor view overlooking Moorings Bay from every angle. Remodeled in 2016, it boasts an open floor plan, glass enclosed lanai, travertine tile, crown molding, custom mirrors, and many extra touches that give it a superb finish. For instance, in addition to the Taj Mahal quartzite countertops, glass front upper cabinets, and a separate island for extra counter space and storage. The kitchen is equipped with the top-of-the-line Bosch appliances, a Wolf induction recessed cooktop, an instant hot faucet, and reverse osmosis water filtration. New hurricane impact glass and electric shades add safety and privacy to these luxury upgrades. Harborside West is nestled in the heart of the Moorings, directly across the street from beach access, and with boat slips available for lease, this spectacular one-bedroom, one-bath home is a must-see. This well-constructed community has amenities galore, including a heated pool, grilling area, social room with a full kitchen, exercise room, library, hobby room, common laundry, vehicle wash area, and extra storage. There's a covered parking and a secured entrance as well. Whether enjoying the view, the amenities, or the boat dock and fishing pier, you'll be just a few steps from the beach and a quick walk to the renowned dining and shopping at the Venetian Village. Call or text me if you can see yourself indulging at Harborside West or other Naples properties.